When you look at me, what do you see?
A different body. An abnormality. Or a person just like you. Who feels? Dreams.
Falling out. Eats too much chocolate.
Get scared in the dark. And one day wants to have kids too.
If you see me like this,
You see me the right way.
If you see me the other way, you're not seeing me at all.